Well, hi there. I'm Sandy Garson, and welcome to my tiny kitchen, big enough to accommodate the whole world. I understand you want to know how to cut plums for a plum tart. And a plum tart is maybe the most basic cake in Europe. Think of it in Austria, Mitschlag, which means with whipped cream. It's the most basic French cake you can make. And I put one together very quickly. You can find the recipe also, if you don't have your own, in my Farmer's Market book, How to Fix a Leak. Basically, it's a stick of butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, a cup of flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and you just whack it all together and spread it very, very thin layer in a springform pan. Springform pan being the kind that you can open and take the bottom out. And then we come to the plums, and you want to know how to cut the plums. So basically, you're going to cut the plum in half. And these are very large plums. Often when you make this in the autumn with farmers market plums, they will be quite small like that. And cutting them in half is all you need to do. Take out the pit and you would put it around the top. But these are much larger plums and you may have that issue, so we're going to deal with that today. As I said, first we cut them in half and then we begin to take the one without the pit, and we're going to make slices, thin slices like daisy petals. And we're going to go at this 1/2 of a plum at a time, and then we're going to lay our petals around the top of the tart. You could see I continue with my kind of pinwheel or daisy pattern like that, not to worry. And then when you finish your tart, essentially, you would put a little bit of brown sugar on the top, sprinkle a little bit around. And there we have it. We bake it in the oven for at 350 for about an hour. If you have a convection oven, it could be a little shorter. And this is what you get, a very beautiful, not too sweet, and very yummy plum tart, just as you might have in any cafe in Europe. And as I said, in Austria, you might even get it Mitschlag, which means with whipped cream. And if you don't want all the calories of whipped cream, try it mit a little Greek yogurt. Auf Wiedersehen.